Hi everyone, this is Gloria Giraldo in collaboration with my partner Chefs Are In. Today we're going to make eggs Florentine. This recipe, it's a little bit heavy because it has to kind of cheese, flour, butter, the eggs that they have some cholesterol, but once in a while will be fine. Today is a special occasion for us and I'm gonna have it for breakfast. I'll let you know the recipe at the same time I'm telling you about the ingredients. Para las personas que hablan español pueden encontrar la receta completa en la descripción que se encuentra abajo del video. Empecemos. To make Mornay sauce, we're going to need 1 cup of milk, 1 big spoon of butter, a big spoon and a half of flour, some nutmeg, 30 grams of Gruyere cheese. Now we're going to need a creamy sauce of spinach, and for that we need 4 cups of spinach chopped, 2 big spoons of onion chopped, 2 cloves of garlic chopped, some cream, and some Parmesan cheese. Recipe for eggs Florentine, we're going to need 4 poached eggs. I'm gonna poach the eggs later and I'm gonna show you how. 4 slices of white bread toasted, and 4 slices of veggie ham or the ham of your preference.
By Chefs Are In Cuisine. Well, this is a very nutritious recipe because it's very complete. You have a lot of different things here, as you saw on the recipe, a lot of different items. It's very complete. You could do this for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Obviously something that you want to do once in a while. Now we're going to try it. It has spinach, it has eggs, which is a very rich source of protein, and it has a lot of other goodies that you can also enjoy when you making it. So we're gonna see this and find out how this end up like. Delicious, absolutely outstanding. What a nice taste. The spinach tastes so delicious on this. As I said before, cook it at any day during your shift. Visit our pages, chefsarein.com, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next time for another delicious recipe from Chefs Are In Cuisine. Thank you so much.